working on the weekend. Backstage. Destiny's child. Right here. We're missing our third girl. I don't know where she is. We're about to perform today. About to head to the beach.
Do you want me to keep going?
Just a lovely
So lovely.
Sunday.
Oh, I love that one.
Going out. I don't know where.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Who wants to take us out to dinner?
I was
Bid starting now. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 MNVNs in the bright cyan colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Also, hit this video with a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Also, be sure to click that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as check out our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there for our members that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items in there. So be sure to check out that when you have a chance. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the Yeezy 700 MNVNs in the bright cyan colorway. This is such a beautiful bright colorway for the summer. So we are going to start off by going through the overview on this new colorway for the silhouette. Then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by styling. I think this is going to be one of my most exciting colorways I'm going to add to my kind of summer collection as things start to heat up here in New York. And then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump into it. Let's talk about the overview of this shoe. I might just actually flip the shoe around so we get a better perspective on that massive signature 700 that we are used to seeing on the medial side of the silhouette. This not only has that 3M coloring system going on, so when it's in the light, actually, let me see if I can get some reflection off of that. This is literally so vibrant and color scheme because of that 3M that is on this specific shoe. It really makes this shoe pop. But what you will notice on this specific color scheme is that this is a bright, vibrant color. I don't know for those of you who've changed your color printers, but bright cyan is actually one of the colors that you will typically change out on those cartridges. So that's kind of how I remember this colorway. But definitely a very, very bright blue that we're seeing on this nylon material. And it wraps around on both sides of the shoe all the way to the back of that heel. To finish it off, we've got some just nice, simple black laces with that no-tie system. I do love the no-tie system just because I can slip these bad boys on and off. And we've got that nice, simple black tongue to go underneath it. So let's take a close look at some of those details. All right, so moving on to the insole, we've got just a nice simple black insole with some silvery color scheme for the Yeezy and Adidas on the inside there. Then we've got a nice pop of black for the midsole, and the outsole, as you can see, we've got that full length boost on the bottom, and it's finished off in that black color scheme. Black really just adds a nice separation of tones and really just helps magnify how bright this blue is. So for those of you who have seen my phosphor video, that was the last MNVN silhouette I've done. It feels like that was a century ago. I also did this silhouette in the black colorway, and I think this is a great addition to the colors that I've seen. Also, there was the bright orange, so it makes total sense that they would have come out with a new additional color like this bright cyan color scheme. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit. On the MNVN 700s, I typically do size half a size up, which I do with most of my Yeezy silhouettes. Again, I do feel like there's not as much space in the toe box region, and so I do like to have a little extra room there, and I do feel like it does push my foot up a little bit extra. Again, I have narrow high arch feet, but if you do have flat, wider feet, that may decipher what shoe will work best for you. Again, I do have the narrow high arch feet. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling these just because this is a great pop of color, and you know, it's not every day that I have a bright, vibrant blue like this. So I decided to pair it with some Adidas pieces, and I had some nice Adidas leggings. Thanks Adidas for sending those over. This was just an amazing, simplistic black sporty legging. Obviously, this is a very sporty silhouette, so I kind of wanted to bring a very sporty-like outfit to the mix. I decided to pair those leggings with my North Face Supreme Climb hoodie, and the blues in that hoodie just really, I feel like, match this to a T.
Not every light is gonna guide you.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice, cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charge.
All right, for the second look, I wanted to kind of dress it up a little bit. So I definitely made this a little bit dressier with an all black look. As you guys know, I love me some black and sometimes dark gray. But you know, this is definitely a shoe I feel like you can dress up. So ladies, if you want to dress this up with a skirt or dress this up with a dress, I think this is a great color to rock with any of those pieces.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
And I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful.
For the last look, I decided to wear some nice fuzzy Adidas biker shorts that were all black, and I paired that with an Adidas t-shirt. And that t-shirt is a really actually funny tee. I had to buy it just because it says I only walk on the runway, which is very obviously similar to my lifestyle. So definitely a fun, quirky shirt. And I love the gray mixed with the hues on this color scheme. And I do think obviously the black biker shorts paired perfectly.
Careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid, don't be afraid.
Yeah. Look, since I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she
So you let me know down below what was your favorite item out of the 3 for those looks, or how would you style these shoes?
Are you ready? Are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that ready for whatever. We gon' have to show them something, man. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. You don't understand that I'm doing what you can't with no cap. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them. Yeah, they're too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now is, are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the... Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that... Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, this the comeback. Are you ready for the comeback? Now I see you with your bad self. If you into taking L's, then I can't help. I'll be the self-made champ, look at my belt. I built this all from the ground up, that's all by myself, y'all know. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them, yeah, they're too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now is, are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the... Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that... Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, this the comeback. Are you ready for the comeback?
All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. These retailed for $220, and currently they're going between $245 to $350. All right, that's it for this video. If you were new to the channel today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me any comments or questions you may have on this unboxing and review down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out those membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there and an amazing merch store. All right, this is Shay TV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.